Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to neatly wind a ball of yarn. We're going to leave about a 7 or 8 inch tail and just leave that hanging over your thumb, and you wind about 5 or 6 times at a 45-degree angle around the thumb. You're going to spin that round about a quarter turn and do the same, another 5 or 6 times at a 45-degree angle, and then turn that little bit of yarn a quarter turn around your thumb. And you're going to keep going on in this way until you start to get the beginnings of a ball forming around the thumb. You don't want to pull it too tight because it's not good to tension the yarn too much when you're caking it up, and also you'll start to strangle your thumb. You'll realise if you start off really tight, it will just get tighter and tighter as the ball grows. So can you see the ball is starting to take a little bit of shape now? And just keep going in that way, leaving that tail hanging out around your thumb. And I think the trick to getting a neat ball is, as you wind, you'll see I tend to do a quarter turn, I bring the yarn up over right in the middle, and then I go back and I fill in that little wedge. And then I turn, I do the same. I drag it over the top, and then I fill in that little wedge that's been created. As you get towards the end of the ball, you might want to just start paying a little bit more attention to keeping those lines nice and straight. Okay, so just going to pull my thumb out of the middle, and I'm just going to tuck that little tail. I'm just going to push that inside, give it a squash, and you'll see you've got your tail coming out of the middle of the ball, and it looks pretty neat. You can, if you want it to be super neat, you can just kind of manipulate the outside a little bit, but to be honest, it doesn't really matter how it looks, but you'll see that's how I hand wind a ball of yarn.